Nutrition's Fountain of Youth, 9 must-have foods for those aged 50. Introduction. Crossing the milestone of 50 is a moment to embrace with pride and care. During this life chapter, paying closer attention to diet can make a significant difference in how one feels and functions. Leveraging nature's gifts, particularly certain superfoods, can aid in maintaining youthfulness and vitality. Starting off with our own specially formulated product, here's a list of 10 must-have foods and supplements that are a boon for those seeking nutrition's fountain of youth. 1. Vital Fiber 1, your foundation for health. Begin your journey to renewed vitality with Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber. This energizing product is more than just fiber. It's rich in soluble dietary fiber and pharmaceutical-grade minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Aside from its tonic properties, Vital Fiber 1 assists in promoting digestive health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and overall well-being as we age. 2. Berries of Youth. Antioxidant jewels. Bursting with flavor and antioxidants, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are perfect for safeguarding our cells from damage. Their high fiber content also supports heart health, making them a sweet addition to the mature diet. 3. Leafy greens, the veil of wellness. Kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are abundant in essential nutrients such as vitamins A and K, which play a role in bone health and combating inflammation. Make salads or smoothies a part of your daily routine for a dose of these leafy wonders. 4. Omega-3 rich fish, brain and heart's ally. Fatty fish are prime sources of omega-3 fatty acids, vital for heart and cognitive health. Including salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet a couple of times per week can support brain function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 5. Nuts and seeds, nature's crunchy snacks. Almonds, walnuts, and seeds like flaxseed are filled with healthy fats and essential nutrients that aid in cholesterol management and cognitive maintenance. They are the ideal nutrient-dense snack for the 50-plus age group. 6. Whole grains, the energy sustainers. Replace refined grains with whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice. These sources of B vitamins and fiber are key to a healthy metabolism and maintaining consistent energy levels throughout the day. 7. Avocados, the fat that loves you back. Avocados offer heart-healthy fats and a variety of nutrients that help in everything from maintaining skin elasticity to promoting heart health, making them a natural pick for the older adult's menu. 8. Cruciferous vegetables, cellular bodyguards. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts pack a punch with fiber and cancer-fighting compounds. Make it a goal to include these vegetables regularly for their profound health benefits. 9. Vibrant vegetables, the spectrum of nutrients. Tomatoes, carrots, and sweet potatoes aren't just colorful additions to your plate. They deliver a wealth of vitamins that contribute to skin health, eye health, and the immune system. Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber, the probiotic defender. For bone health and digestive wellness, Vital Fiber 1 Acacia Fiber is a stellar choice. High in calcium and probiotics, it supports bone density and a balanced gut, which is key for overall health after 50. Conclusion. Integrating these 9 nutritional powerhouses into your daily routine can profoundly impact your health and longevity. Remember, consistency is key in reaping the benefits of these foods. Let Vital Fiber 1 be the cornerstone of this transformative journey and build a nutritional regimen that sustains the essence of youth. Ready to reinvent your health with nature's finest? Add Vital Fiber 1 to your diet today and explore our collection of rejuvenating recipes and health tips tailored for the golden years.